Um, Imagine starting your own online business without spending a dime. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's a reality for many, and it can be for you too. In this digital age, it's entirely possible to launch an online venture with zero capital, and we're here to show you how. The importance of this idea can't be overstated. It's a game changer, especially for those who are just starting their entrepreneurial journey, but are strapped for cash. Yet, starting an online business without any funds does come with its share of challenges. Beginners often face hurdles like lack of knowledge, limited resources, and the overwhelming sense of not knowing where to start. But don't worry, these challenges are not insurmountable. With the right strategies, a bit of creativity, and a whole lot of determination, you can overcome these obstacles and put your business ideas into action. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of starting an online business with no money? Buckle up. First, it's essential to understand what an online business is and how it works. Simply put, an online business operates on the internet, leveraging digital platforms and tools to sell products, services, or information. The beauty of it lies in its accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can start one. Let's dive into the types of online businesses you could start without any capital. Blogging, for instance, is a popular choice. With just your thoughts and ideas, you can create compelling content and earn through advertising and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing is another option. You promote other businesses' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Then there's drop shipping, where you sell products directly from the manufacturer without holding any inventory yourself. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. Now that you understand what online business is, let's move on to how you can start one without any money. You might be wondering, how can I start an online business without any money? Here are some strategies. Starting an online business with zero funds might sound like an uphill battle, but it's not as impossible as it seems. Let's dive into some strategies that can help you navigate this challenge. First off, leverage free online tools and platforms. The digital world is packed with free resources that can assist you in setting up your online business. From website builders like WordPress, Wix, and Weebly, to marketing tools such as MailChimp for email marketing, Canva for designing visuals, and Google My Business for local SEO, the possibilities are endless. Next, focus on creating valuable content. One of the most effective ways to attract an audience is by providing them with content that solves a problem, entertains, or educates. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or even social media updates. Remember, content is king in the digital world, and it's your ticket to building an audience without spending a dime. Building a strong online presence is another crucial strategy. This means being active and visible on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Engage with them, respond to their comments, join relevant groups, and contribute to discussions. While it requires time and effort, the payoff in terms of building relationships and gaining trust is invaluable. Also, consider the power of collaboration. Reach out to influencers or other businesses in your niche for partnerships or collaborations. This can help you tap into their audience, gain credibility, and grow your business without any financial investment. Another strategy is to offer a service or skill you already possess. Whether it's graphic design, content writing, social media management, or coaching, Offering your expertise can be a great way to start an online business without initial capital. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of testimonials and word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage your satisfied customers to spread the word about your business. It's a free and highly effective way of attracting new customers. In the midst of all this, remember to keep learning and adapting. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and staying on top of trends and updates can make all the difference in your business growth. To sum it up, starting an online business without money requires creativity, patience, and a whole lot of hustle. But with these strategies, you can navigate the financial challenge and set your business on the path to success. These strategies can help you kickstart your online business journey without any financial investment. Let's shift gears and look at some success stories of people who've started their online businesses with no money. One such story is of a woman named Lucy. She had a passion for knitting, but no money to start a business. She decided to leverage her skills and started by creating knitting tutorials on YouTube. Lucy was consistent and patient. Over time, she built a loyal audience who loved her for her unique style and easy-to-follow guides. As her viewership grew, so did her revenue from YouTube's ad program. Eventually, she launched an Etsy store where she sells her own knitting patterns. Lucy's story demonstrates how you can turn your passion into profit by using the strategies we discussed earlier. Next, we have the story of Tom. Tom was a college student with a knack for digital marketing. He started by offering his services for free to local businesses, helping them improve their online presence. As he gained experience and testimonials, Tom started charging for his services. His reputation grew, and he was able to expand his client base through word-of-mouth referrals and a strong online portfolio. Today, Tom runs a successful digital marketing agency, all started with no upfront investment. Finally, let's talk about Anna. She had a sizable following on Instagram, where she shared her love for fitness and healthy living. Anna decided to monetize her following by creating an online fitness program. She offered free trials to her followers, who loved the program and spread the word. Anna's fitness program now has hundreds of paying subscribers, turning her passion for fitness into a thriving online business. These stories are just a few examples of how ordinary people, just like you, started successful online businesses without any money. They leveraged their skills, were persistent, and took advantage of free online platforms to build their businesses from the ground up. They didn't let the lack of money stop them from pursuing their dreams. These success stories show that starting an online business with no money is not only possible, but can also be highly profitable. Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the intriguing concept of starting an online business with no money. Yes, you heard it right, $0, nada, nothing. It sounds like a dream, but it's a real possibility in today's digital age. We've delved into the challenges that beginners often face when venturing into this territory. The lack of funds, the daunting world of e-commerce, the competitive market, they can all seem overwhelming. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. We've discovered various strategies to overcome these hurdles, from leveraging free online resources to capitalizing on your unique skills. There are ways to navigate through these obstacles. We discussed how to use social media to your advantage, how to create a compelling online presence, and how to offer value that draws customers in. We also highlighted the power of partnerships and bartering services. Remember, when cash is scarce, creativity is king. We talked about the importance of building a strong network and how it can open doors you never knew existed. In the success story segment, we heard how ordinary individuals just like you turned their dreams into reality. They started with nothing but a vision and a lot of determination. They are a testament to the fact that starting an online business with no money is not just feasible, but achievable. So don't let the lack of funds deter you from starting your online business. The digital world is full of possibilities and opportunities. With the right mindset, strategies, and a lot of hard work, you too can create a successful online business from scratch. Remember, starting an online business with no money isn't a myth, but a reality. With the right strategies and a lot of hard work, you too can turn this dream into reality. If you're interested in learning more about starting an online business, we have a fantastic opportunity for you. Our YouTube Mastery and Monetization course offers a comprehensive guide to setting up your own YouTube channel. You'll learn the ropes from the ground up, even if you choose to keep your identity hidden, just like we do. This course is designed to show you the ins and outs of YouTube, all the way from creating engaging content to mastering the art of monetization. And guess what? We have a free webinar that goes into detail about all things YouTube. The link is right below this video in the description. So why wait? Dive in and start your journey to becoming a successful online entrepreneur. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. We've got a ton of great content coming your way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Remember, your online business journey starts here.